You are watching Khalid Iqbal YouTube channel. We focus on education, training and general awareness. I am going to share with you titles of upcoming educational and training videos. If you like any title, you may subscribe now so that when we upload the video, intimation comes to you and you will be in a position to watch that video. First of all, 360-degree thinking ability. A very comprehensive discourse of this topic is given in the video. Next comes lean thinking. This is a very, very important topic, and this lean thinking is important in every aspect of life, in social life, in your professional life, in organization, at a country level. Lean thinking is very important. Then emotional intelligence. This is a very popular topic, but whatever I have said, that is on the basis of my own research, which I conducted during the courses within Pakistan and outside Pakistan. Next video will be on perception. Perception is really important. You must have heard perception is reality. Then motivation. Very common, popular and important subject. Then I will talk about writing of PhD synopsis. This is a very important video for students who want to do PhD and also for the teachers who are teaching students who wish to pursue for PhD degree or supervising PhD degrees. In this video, I will talk from thinking to submission of PhD thesis. Then effective presentation. Next comes understanding effective communication. And next video will be on exam preparation. This video will be in English and Urdu separately. If you think any topic is important for you, you may subscribe the channel now.